Wait, was someone done? Is it recording now? Okay. Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Morning, good afternoon, whatever it is. So we're going to start by taking these coins and you're going to match them. You're going to group them into equal groups. So it has to sit there. Okay, so equal groups.
So does that mean by the date on the coin?
No. Equal amount.
Oh. Equal groups?
Yeah.
Equal amounts? I have a prime number.
So Jack just did 3 groups of 4. Can you tell me what you did?
2 groups of 8.
Okay, Jonah?
2 groups of 3.
Okay, Eric?
I cannot do it. I have a group of 6 and a group of 7.
No.
I have 2 groups of 6.
Oops. Okay. So what groups did you do? 2 groups of 4. Okay. So, here's an example of what you guys just did. Tuli, can you tell me how many groups I have?
2.
And Jonah, how many are in each group?
5. I mean 5.
Good. Okay.
Yellow.
So this is what we're going to be doing today. You can put your coins back in your bags. What helped you to group them? Did anything help?
Finding out the total number of coins that I have.
Finding the total helped you, Tuli? Same thing? Okay, awesome. So today we are going to be talking about arrays, and by the end of today you should be able to demonstrate 4 arrays, as well as you're going to create a story problem and be able to draw a picture for it. I'll take your coins. Okay. Let's go first.
The teachers.
Oh.
You appreciate that.
You can leave it like
Okay, so for arrays, here are the steps. So the first step is you're going to fill in the rows and the columns. Does anybody know how you can tell if it's a row or a column?
It says on there.
But do you know if this wasn't here, was there anything that could help you?
Rows are generally lateral,
Uh-huh.
left and right, and columns are normally up
Up and down? Okay. So the first step would be to fill in the rows. The second step is to fill in the columns. So you're going to draw all the boxes. So this problem was 5 times 5. So you'll draw 5 boxes to represent the 5 for the column and 5 for the row. And then you'll fill in all the rest of the boxes. And that would be your step 3. And that would give you your answer, 5 times 5, which you already know your multiplications. We're just giving you a visual of this. And then we're going to add a 5th step to arrays. And the 5th step is to come up with a story problem. So can I get Jack to read the story problem?
Sally has 5 flowers in 5 vases. How many?
And then you're going to draw a picture of it. So here I drew 5 vases of 5 flowers. Are there any questions with that? Okay, so you guys earlier grouped your coins in groups like this. And all we're going to do is take those groups and we are going to put them in an array. So this would be the step 1. Step 2. What would be step 3?
Fill it in.
Fill it in. Very good, Tuli. And then after that, you would have your answer. So we're going to go through one more problem and see if it makes sense. Okay, so can I get Jonah to come up and do the first step?
Have faith in you, Jonah.
Have faith, my friend.
There you go. What is the first step?
You survived all that time on the whale, man, so.
Right the rows.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you draw your arrow,
Draw my arrow.
and then fill in the rows with.
Okay, with 3.
Uh-huh. Very good. You can go sit down. Okay. Tuli, can I get you to do the second step?
That's good.
Thank you.
Yummy.
It's a pretty complex process.
Yeah, truly.
Very good. Eric.
Yes, I would love to. Can I please? Fill in the rest.
Which step is that?
Number 3.
Very good. Awesome.
Sorry.
Oh, nice.
Claire, can I get you to come up and do the fourth step?
One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Very good. And then Jack, since you're last, can you come up with a story problem?
Yeah.
Let's start it with Jack, because you're him. To represent 3 times 3.
Jack had 3 bunches of 3 bananas.
Oh my goodness. He's
Of what?
genius.
Of 3 bananas.
3 bananas in each lunch.
Yeah.
Oh, I use this bunch for whatever.
What? I said bunch.
Oh,
Did you say bunch?
I'll just say stuff.
Yeah, I said but. But lunch works. 3 lunches of 3 bananas.
Okay, so you came up with a story problem to match the 3 times 3. And what would your answer be?
9.
Very good. Are there any questions of this? No? Okay. So, now we are going to do it on our own, or in small groups. So, if Jack and Claire can work together, and then Eric too and Jonathan too. Sorry. Character. Oh, I didn't give you this.
Can you bring another one, like several?
Can you bring me like the smelly kind? Orange?
Just a regular orange. All right. Sorry, teacher.
Okay, and then I'm going to pass back out your coins.
Okay.
And I want you to show your coins for each math problem, unless you don't have enough coins.
Okay. So you want our name?
30 is 31.
Yes. And I want you to label the arrays for each.
So the rows go first.
Rows go first.
Rose.
Eric has a good question. So for the rows being first, I want you to label the arrow that would show the rows, and then label the arrow that would show the columns.
Okay.
And you don't have to worry about the story problems yet, but just keep in mind that you're going to be doing them later, and then I'll give you this one more example before we do that. How's it coming? Good.
Super good.
Okay, and then make sure you show it on your coins. We do have mountains,
Oh, okay.
but yeah, if you have enough to show.
Just one of these 4 problems with our coins?
All of them. Before you move to the next one,
Oh, that's.
show it with your coins. Oh, that's true.
Yeah, there's not enough coins.
And then be talking with your partners and see how they're doing on the same problems, see if they're getting the same answers.
So you know, it's not all-
Collaborate with,
Same answers you did.
Are you getting the same answers?
and compare if you're doing it in a different way. Is there anything different about these two?
Oh my goodness, she put the dots. And she had arrows, and we put arrows. Everyone
But is there anything else different?
Yes, he's doing 4 rows of, it's 24 and
Oh.
Good catch.
so you're just
So you
doing
just did-
4 rows of 10,
Yeah,
right?
but they equal the same thing, but
Oh, that is mine.
yeah.
Ninety.
So now you know which one to do for.
It's like algebra or something. Do things multiple ways.
Are you and Blair collaborating?
Yes.
Which is wrong shapes.
Nice.
That's
what you have to do when you're a teacher.
You know the rules.
How'd you do number 2 there, Jonah?
Very
That's
careful.
good, I can see some years.
Oh, thank
You did a good job, that was very pretty. I don't think you put your name on the top of it, did you?
Oh, I did. It's really small.
Really small.
Okay. Thanks for making it bigger, so I can see it. I just want to make sure that I'm doing the same thing that you're doing.
Right. Right.
I'm checking my work against
Are you
yours.
collaborating?
I'm collaborating.
Very nice. I do like Eric's labels.
I was told to, I have to follow instructions most of the time.
Good job.
Oh, yes.
Sometimes I do not say my character will be probably honest teacher. It's against my will.
Nice, nice.
So, so we'll move on.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay. I'll do all the
9, 27, 36, 7, 5, 54. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20.
Does this make sense? You understand me?
Yeah, I got 7 right here.
Awesome.
Now I got answer.
Does everything make sense?
Yes, I just don't have enough coins in my
I
balance.
don't know, it's fine. We're broke.
But it's,
students.
I understand.
I only have so much
Thank
change.
you, Chelsie.
I wasn't
I
about
can
to go,
understand now.
to go break some.
And then,
It's been so much easier.
how do we represent them?
So, in your groups, since you're working together,
Okay.
just combine all of your points,
Okay.
consider them the same thing, and work as a team to form each.
Julie and I have our
Yeah.
brown
We
anyway.
do.
So.
There's the same team here.
Brown, power. Even though I'm only half brown. And Jonah is actually Native American, so he's red. So.
Yeah.
I'm somewhat Native American.
Well, it's
I'm
not
white.
He's working with red. Differentiation. Cultural
That's
pluralism.
enough to do.
Let's do our 24 one and our 28 one.
Okay, so do that 28, 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Then I'll start with 7.
Okay.
I'll be supervisor. You guys are doing a great job.
That is really good. What you could even do to help is to draw the arrows for the rows and columns on your paper.
Oh, sorry.
So you can see it still.
Beautiful representation.
This is, I like it.
Teamwork and, so many days. I teach her though. She just on the run.
Gosh, I tried.
Oh, you succeed, you know. Pretty thankless job sometimes. Thank you. I'm learning. Do we have exactly 28 or do you lose some?
Oh, my goodness.
Not.
It's a Christmas miracle.
It is a Christmas miracle. Teach. Just like rolls.
Do you have any questions? That's all good?
That's your teacher.
Did you do it?
Great job.
Let's see, how many are there? 4. High five, all around. Nice
Exactly the
work.
right number.
Okay. Now that, has everybody finished?
Yes.
One more minute over here. He's drawing a bunch of different
Jack,
shapes.
can I help you? Or are you okay?
I'm doing good.
Do you want Eric to come help?
I just wanted to
I
make sure.
got 3, 2, and 1.
Done?
28. Oh yeah.
Okay, and then everybody pass your papers to Jack.
Teacher's pen.
Jackie Little.
Sorry, it's just easy to.
I'm teacher's assistant.
I think we're more than
That was so clever.
Alright.
Sweet.
You guys worked very well with your groups on those.
Thank you. We need to get treats? Oh, no.
So the 5th step we didn't include in the worksheet. We didn't include a story problem. So I'm going to give you another one and we're going to work on story problems. So for this, if this was our math problem, you would draw the array to show it and label the steps. And then you would do a picture to go along with the words that you're going to create.
Okay.
So you'll have the number, you'll make an array, you'll come up with the words, and then you'll draw a picture to represent it. Are there any questions? So it's exactly what we just did, we're just adding the story problem where you draw.
That's cool. I like that.
Okay.
There's so many,
And this one I want you to work by yourself.
so many different modes of learning.
I know.
It's amazing. It's probably hard to cover them all in just one lesson. You're doing most of that.
Sorry.
It's alright. I wasn't paying attention.
And if anyone is having a hard time with it, let me know. I can come explain it again, or I can give you coins again and you can represent it with that. Sometimes that's easier. Did you have a question?
No.
Good.
Mm,
Eric, are you doing good?
Yes, thank you.
Really, I like that picture. Really cute. It's creative. Nice drawing.
Made rocks in a box.
I like it. Rhymes.
Right.
I'm getting into the English class over here. Rocks in boxes. So we do the row first, then the column, then we fill in the rest.
Step 1 is the rows, step 2 is the column, and then step 3 is fill it in. Really good.
What is yours? Eggs? Creative. I like it.
155
Pencils.
pencils.
Don't think about it too hard, John. It's okay.
Okay, about 30 more seconds. They're looking really good. I like how you guys are labeling everything.
Your pictures are creative.
Okay, everyone's done?
Yep.
Okay, turn your papers over to the back. We can finish them after. We're gonna have a race.
Oh no.
Dun, dun.
Alright, bring it on.
A race with a raise.
A race. Okay, so the rules.
Raise.
Rule number 1, you have to create the story problem to match the equation. So exactly what we did with you have the numbers, you're writing the words. The second thing you have to do is to draw the array and label it all. And then the third thing is to draw a picture to match, okay?
Okay.
Are you guys ready? Okay, when I say
Story
go.
problem first, then a picture, then the array.
Yes. When I say go, you can begin, and the equation's at the bottom of your desk. Ready, set, or your chair. Ready, set, go. The winner gets a candy bar. Okay. Next time, though. Get it? And the instructions are on the paper, but just don't forget to label. You guys are going fast enough. Just kidding, good job. Good job, good job.
Teacher's pet better not win.
Did
He's
you
claiming that he was
recommend it?
working on it before
He didn't even know.
I don't know about that one. So can
Are
see-
you done?
Done.
I think Claire beat you.
Bologna and cheese.
Okay, Claire, will you explain what yours was? Create a story to match the equation. Draw and label an array. Draw a picture to match the story. Okay, so what story did you choose?
I said, Timmy caught 6 fish 4 days in a row.
And how many did he have total? Oh yeah, Claire won.
Boo. I think we're all winning.
You guys can share with everybody.
Someone didn't draw a picture.
Oh, you didn't draw a picture? Did you draw a picture?
I don't think so. I think we all deserve candy.
Okay, well you guys,
It's
good
only
job.
fair.
Good job. Okay. And I'll take your papers. Okay, there are your fish. Good job. Class is over.